What is going on, family? Cribs here. Well, family, what'd you think? The new intro. I have been waiting so long to share this with you guys. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about it. I need to know because it's valuable. Your guys' input on what goes on in this channel is absolutely vital to our growth as a nation, as the Swag Nation. And today, I know things are going to be a little different here, and I got to find out where I'm going to say hello and all that good stuff. But I want to tell you, first of all, I have some unboxings of 3 different companies here that I want to share with you that I found on Instagram, from advertising, from fellow brother reviewers that they did that I haven't tried yet, that tripped my trigger, and I wanted to get them on here and share them with you. Another one I know really well. It is absolutely one of Nikki's, my queen's, favorite scent profiles. Anytime I wear this, she just nestles up and she always makes a comment, said, yes, I love that one. So I want to share that with you since I got it. But let's just slow down here for a minute. Cheers. Grab a cup of coffee or a beverage and let's just chill as a family. Let's open up some packages, some beard mail, and we'll dive in and see what we think about it. Get that beard hair off of there. Good morning coffee. Good Saturday morning coffee. So let me do this. How are we going to do this? Let's just dive in. What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling out with your boy yet again. You know how valuable it is for you all to come in here and we spend quality time together. To anybody that is new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beard Swag. My name is Mike Cribs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. I have an Instagram channel that is _beardswag_. This is a channel to where we chill back, relax, open up some beard products, do reviews, testings. I got a new RecTec grill, so RecTec Mafia in full effect, and I'm probably gonna do an unboxing on it maybe later or to burn in. There'll be some videos on it too, but we're talking about some beard products right now. If you're into positivity, love, the foundation of Jesus Christ, then welcome on in. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, the share button, the reminder bell so you'll know when I have new content coming out. I'm pretty sporadic with my schedule. I just get on here when I feel like recording and record. And then thumbs up or a thumbs down. So let's dive into this. First one I want to do today is from Gents. My brother Jay. I don't care if you know my address. I don't care. I have ran out of some of my other products. I have used it fully till empty. And I didn't have his butter on this because all I had was the oil. I'm going to have to sharpen the old knife. But like I said before, this is the one profile. Get that out of here. Nice packaging. Look at how that's a cooling kind of a package in a package. This is one of Nikki's favorites. Every time I wear it. So it comes with, oh, and I can smell that right out the gate. Looks like I got a sample of the Cubano. I might save that for later. That might be used for shipment of to share some products with some other people. Killer decal. Jay is an amazing man. Got a card with all of his formats. You can get hold of him. beardgents@gmail.com. I'll have that link below. www.beardgents.com. Your beard matters. It's part of who we are. It's who we are. Very nice. All natural, handcrafted. Why I love Jay's stuff. And I get to do this pretty much every day due to the fact I'm testing so many products out that I'm using different ingredients, the different carriers, and it's cross-training. I cross-train my beard all the time from all the different ingredients I have. But what Jay in one company that you can do is you can basically get his different scent profiles and you can cross-train your beard with all of the ingredients, all the different ingredients in each one of his oils, which is cool. And he's into the health kick of it, and it works. So the one I grabbed today, let's get into this. Quit humdrumming around. And I am excited to use this butter. Let's get in here and see what we think. Mr. Cool, baby. Great looking oils. Mr. Cool is coconut, pineapple, citrus, and vanilla. Hands down an amazing tropical scent profile. Ingredients: Jamaican black castor oil. I love Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, essential and fragrance blends. Oh yeah. An amazing scent profile. If you're into the tropical, sweet, vibrant coconut, the deep, rich coconut that's in here, it's just an amazing scent profile, family. And then is Mr. Cool butter. You can see right there, it's mango, shea, Jamaican castor oil, coconut, sweet almond, jojoba, essential oils, fragrance blend. And it's on there. Everything's on here for you. Now let's get in here and see what we got. Scent profile, exactly the same. Let me get out of there so you can see it. There we go. I don't want to touch it because I've already got some other products in, but it's an amazing butter, family. Really good butter. I think it's a whipped. Yep, it says right there. Whipped butter. Now, I have his very first butters that he basically made, Tyson and I, when we were doing the month-long trial journey on Jay's stuff. We had, what was it? Night Pirate, I think is what it was, is what we used, the butter that we had. And it was a really good nighttime butter. So, really looking forward to that. Let me show you the card. It says, thank you. There it is. We believe in cross-training your beard for optimal health and growth. And it works. Really does work. And then he sent me, which I've been chomping at the bit to try this too. I just haven't got it yet. Let me see if I can get it on there. Now, the coloring's not that well, but it's the Cubano. I got to see what this is. I've heard a lot of good things about this. This is their tester. Thank you very much, Jay. I appreciate it. Mojito and tobacco. I'm going to have to warm that up. I'm going to set that right there. That's going to be for later today. That's awesome. Let me put it back in here. All right, so there's one. Well, I know we haven't done a mega unboxing for a while, family, but we're getting into some products now. Now we're going on to number 2. My brother James at Beards and Cars did a review. Go give him a like and a subscribe. Amazing guy, straight to the punch. I love it. Of Hubris, their black soap. So I got a big chunk of it in the mail off his recommendation. Because you know your boy Cribs loves his bars of soap. I love my soaps. And my gosh, this thing. What in the heck is this? Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. That's going to be a freaking challenge. Let's get a piece of that off of there. Okay, it smells like a really good soap. Boy, that's soft. Look at this monster. It's 4 chunks. Big and thick. I don't know how I'm going to use that. I'm probably going to slice some pieces off and try it. That's what I'll probably do. Get a sharp knife and probably just cut some slices off. But that's going to last me a long time. So I'm excited to try this and see do some more research on it and see what it is. Hubris. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can go check it out as well. Last but not least, This, just something about this. You talk about the craftsmanship of these beard companies, how they come out with different things, different packaging, different presentation. This one grabbed hold of me, and I got to show you. Well, let me tell you. American Made Beard Co. South Bend, Indiana. I've actually been looking at this for a while, and it came back up, and your boy had to get it. Great looking, cool looking packaging, cool looking bottles, specials you can get. I won't show you yet. Handmade. That's everything in that. This is not what I want to show you, but it's part of it. Okay. Established in 2019. It's got his stamps on there. Pretty cool. We're going to open this up. Get it out. Ah, cool. Comes with a Kit Kat. Comes with Whoppers. Happy Halloween. And a Twizzler. I'm not going to show you yet. Looks like he gave me a sample. I'll show you that later, but this is the one I want to show. All right. Land of the free, home of the bearded. Handcrafted in the United States of America. Very important. Very important to me. Now, let's get into this. Let's open it up. This may be kind of controversial to some, but I don't care. It doesn't bother me at all. Man, I just cannot talk today. But I wanted to share it with you because I think it's cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get all this stuff out of here. I'll just throw it back here for now. Okay. Are you ready? How cool is that? A Ouija board. Made out of wood, handcrafted. I'll show you. The clasp in the front. Opens up with a sticker. And their card. And there's a reward. It looks like there's a reward, but we're not going to get into that. I got it in the oil, which comes in a bag. How cool is that, dude? How cool is that, family? I mean, I know you probably think spirits and stuff like that. I don't believe in any of that mumbo jumbo anyways, but pretty dang cool, man. What a good collector's piece. I don't think I'm going to open this one up because I may use this as a giveaway one of these days for somebody. I got it in the oil, and then also I was lucky enough to get it in the balm, the matching balm. I don't know the scent profile, but I'm going to keep this classed, and that's what I've got for you, family, today. So I got some soaps, I got some new, I got some Old Faithful, and I got me a killer. Let me show you this presentation together. Look at that. Whoop. I think it's pretty cool. 10/31 of 2020. So that's what I got, family. I'll eat this candy though, that's for dang sure. Yeah, today for me is going to be a busy day. I'm going to be putting together a box or a RecTec grill, the 700 bowl. Nikki and I are going to smoke some ribs after the burn-in, have a fire tonight, enjoy each other. So one thing I want you to do today is go enjoy your family. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody that you're proud of them. And just enjoy this amazing day because it's fall is upon us. And I guess that's what I got. I love you and I'm proud of you, family. Peace out.